Hey guys, thanks for so much support in the first video. But today it's gonna be the same theme, so the 3x3, but now we're gonna just to practice the first layer, okay? Then I'm gonna do the second layer and the third layer as a series. Or you could just watch the main video. But if you guys don't want to watch a whole video and make it shorter, you could watch this one. Okay, so the first step is to make the white cross. It's the easiest step of this part. So what you're gonna do is, the first piece is okay. You can put it anywhere next to the white center. And then you just need to turn it until it's with its right center. So here it's a good piece. It's in a right position. Then we find another white edge piece, which is here. And here we need to first connect it with its good center, the other center, not the white one, well, the other color, not the white one, and we put it in place. Here it's another good piece. Here we have a white and red, so we do like this, and when we put it with the red centerpiece, we're gonna see that this one is moving away. So what we do is we put it in its right place and then we put this one back, and here we got it. So now we have 3 and we just need the last one, the orange and white one. So what we're gonna do is take it out like this, okay? And we repeat that. We move this up, we take it out and we put it down, and here it's easy. When it's looking upwards, the white piece, and it's already in its place, well, you could just turn it. If it's like there, turn it until it's there, and we just move it down with 2 vertical turns. Now to finish the white face, the first layer is to take out all the corners that are bad placed there. And well, it's not obligatory, but what you could do, it just makes it easier. We do like this and we bring it up, take it away and bring it back down. Remember not to disturb the 4 white edge pieces. Okay, now we find the piece that we just took out. We see that it's a white, red and green piece, which would go here because it's white, red and green. So what we need to do is put this in, take it out, put this back where it was, and put this one back where it was, and it's good. So easy. Now here we take it out like that. We bring it up, we push it to the side, and we bring it back down. When you push it to the side, it can be any side. So what we do is here, put it here because we already know that this one has to go there because of the white, green, orange, white, green, orange. So we put it in, we take it out to put it in a safe place. We put this back in and we put that back in. Now we just need 2 more. This one is already there, so it's good. We can put it in, take it out to a safe place, put it back, and put it back where it should be. Here I did it the other way around, okay? So it was like this before. I did this and then I took that one out and not that one because that one already left. So it's different, you know? So yeah, we do the same thing but reversed. Then here we just take it out, the same way as before, and put it in a safe place, bring it back and bring it back. And we have the first layer done. Well done.